Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your computer if you can't download program and applications. So guys, very easy. If you want to fix your computer if you can download program and application. So very easy. First click on start, type here internet option. Click on internet option. And guys, here let browser history on exit, so click on settings. Here folder C, folder C. So guys, if you want to click on move folder, and as you like, so if you want to download, so select after click on OK. And guys, other way, firstly open Chrome browser, or click on three dots, click on settings, click on advanced, and click on downloads. Here option change, so select as you want. When to download a document, desktop. After select folder, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix your computer if you can download program and application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video with full artwork. Thank you for watching.